Hi guys, I'm going to tell you something very interesting about this Looper application. You must have seen so many videos over the internet that you can download these applications and play the games and you can earn so much money by just playing real-time games. But I'm going to tell you some reality of this application because this is something a risky application in your phone. Yes, you can earn money for there, but equally you are putting your risk to your winning amount. Okay, so when you open this application you will able to see this interface. Okay, and here you will see and tab which calls play now. When you click over the button play now, you will able to see this interface, this kind of interface. Here you have so many options. The first option is what? Win up to 20 rupees and the ticket is of just rupees 10. And when you click on play button, they will ask for the confirmation of deduction of money from your account or from your wallet, Loop wallet. You will say obviously yes. Okay, and you will be directed to this page, and here he is asking for add money to your account. Okay, as I don't have any money in my account, I didn't added any money in my account yet. So what you will going to do, you will going to add some money in your account, for example 10 rupees or 100 rupees. Okay, and when you click over the continue, so they will redirect you and ask for your or what we say UPI account or Paytm or PhonePe account, any payment method that you can use here. Okay, to add money in your Looper account. I'm not adding my money in this account. What will happen when you add your money in your account? Okay, and after when you go for the play, here on home button, where it is, here you will click on play now and you will click play and you will be paying what will happen, you will be paying 10 rupees for playing this game. Okay, now there is probability. What is the probability? A 50-50 probability. You are going to play this game by paying money. Okay, you are paying 10 rupees to play this 20 rupees winning amount game. At the same time, what will happen, another player from other ends also paid 10 rupees to play this game with you. So you will be having an opponent playing with you this game. Okay, and what will happen, you are going to play this game, this ball and box type of game, and from both of you, who will be score a more score will win the match and will win this 20 rupees. So if you are going to lose the game, if you are going to lose the match, you will be losing your 10 rupees also. So there is a probability of 10 rupees, there is a probability of 50% of winning. Okay, so this app is not allowing you and paying you just playing your games, just spending your time. They are asking you for 10 rupees. Okay, and you are paying 10 rupees, that is 50% of your amount. So any option you will choose, for example win up to 50 rupees, you will have to pay 25 rupees, win up to 100 rupees, you will have to pay 50 rupees, win up to 200 rupees, you will have to pay 100 rupees. So what will happen, if you are not scoring good score than your opponent, you are going to lose your money. So be aware, risk reward, calculate your risk reward ratio. Okay, and then only enter in it. Okay, otherwise what will happen, you are just in your excitement, you will pay 10 rupees and you will going to play this game after winning a prize of 20 rupees, and what will happen, you will lose your amount. Okay, because from the other side, the guys on other end who is playing with you is not there to lose their amount. Okay, they are not there to lose their money, they are also there to make their money. So you have to take this risk while going to this application, while playing this game. Okay, and then only play this game. If you are not able to pay, if you are not able to spend money over this application, just ignore it. There are a lot more applications in the market. You can use those applications to earn money by playing game. Okay, so go through that, and if you are able to pay, if you are able to risk your money, then only come here and play this game. Thank you so much, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please give them thumbs up. Thank you.